Jana waiting be this you. You be guy man. You be guy man. Also Jana waiting be this you. You be guy man. You be guy man. If you move, you go move you. Also just make you stand at easy.
Uncle. Uncle, hey. What are you doing? I'm hungry. Hungry, making me uncomfortable.
Congratulations.
No, I'm not saying I'm jubilation. I say I'm hungry. Give me money. You give me money, I'll be happy. Give me money.
And I said congratulations. Listen, if you're hungry, then go look for something to eat.
I want to eat, but no money. Give me
Look,
money.
back there in Congo, don't you cook? Or are you not even the one that's supposed to be cooking and giving us here to eat?
Cooking is no problem for me at all. But I don't have money. The problem is money. Uncle, you give me money. I go out there, buy plenty things. Cook, everybody hates it. Happy jubilation, that's my cosa. That is it. But you don't give me money. I need money.
So once you eat, you dance makosa.
Woohoo!
That's all.
That is it.
I see. Am I your late father? Did your late father give me any money to give you for eating?
You did not ask him before he died. You should have asked him money for your children. You didn't ask, so you carry responsibility. Give me money, I'm hungry.
Makosa, better go and hustle. Go and hustle before hunger kills you. Eh? You still want to be dancing your makosa? Better go and hustle before hunger comes. Because if hunger comes, I'll pity you.
Uncle, I need money. Be good to me. You too stingy. You too hard. What is it?
She say her name na Kristara. She say her name na Kristara. She too like the Makosa.
Bombo clad, blood clad. Let me tell you. Also, me no deserve no disrespect from you. And me, Kingston, original Don, a Dongola Jamaica. Why you tell me I go fetch water, feed the stream? Why you tell me I go fetch water, feed the stream?
Hey! What's wrong with you? You come out, Yala.
Speak the language Rastaman fi here.
Whether you come from Jamaica or from wherever. Listen, there's no water here. I'm saying that every one of you must go to the stream now and fetch water.
Old Sarge, there is traffic in the air.
Yeah, man.
I can go to the stream to fetch water, man. What will Jay-Z say when he hears I fetch water in Africa?
Yeah, man.
Nigga, I'm not fetching water, man. Shit. Can't try that shit.
Uncle. Me, Christella, you tell me to fetch water. Nah, not good for me. I'm a baby. I'm the girl. Let all this maid go fetch water for me. I use it as the baby. Okay.
Baby? Come on, suck.
Not this type. I take bigger one.
Well, I'm in charge, okay? So everybody must go to the stream now.
But, Mame, is there no small boy we can call and give money to go and fetch water for us?
Yeah, man.
Yes, there
No
is.
small boy?
There is, in fact, two.
Then call them.
Oh, yes. In fact, there are more than one. You want to?
Then let's call the person.
Bring the money, quick. Bring the money first.
My man, you know I got no money with me. I finished all my money. I'm surviving by the grace of Almighty God. You know?
Keep quiet by the grace of God.
Listen, Old Sarge, At this point, I'm fucking tired, man. I need to go back to Texas. Real niggas don't fetch war, man. Shit.
Hey. Nobody talks about going back. And that goes for all of you. Nobody should talk about going anywhere. Do I make myself clear? Eh? How is everybody? Nobody's leaving.
But man, I cannot carry one motor with my hair.
Now, listen. Every one of you, move in there. Pick up the sweet container that is good for you. Then we move. Handle move. Handle, move. Handle.
Now Jerry is traffic.
Handle. Hey, handle. Left. Move it. Left. Move it. Left. Go one ule wo nenjelo. Move it. Left. Left. Oh, mona nenjelo go. Njagaro. Lelani wo. Muna wane njelo, wane mapuda uzo le wane. Left. Handle. Mark time. There. Stop. Mark time. Left. Hey, come on! Left. This is House of Bartholomew. Retreating from the house. Going for attack. Attack on the stream. Attack. Come on. Now listen. We are going on an attack. This is the House of Bartholomew. Retreating from the house. Going on an attack. On the stream. Now, anybody that moves, I move you. Stand still, everybody. Don't move. If you move, you become a monkey. And the monkey, I will scatter you. Now, pressure. Come on. Left. Now move. Move. Big man. Left. Left. Come on.
Sai Jankara Angelati Yoli Umonila.
Get out the border. Oh, the men's I was also. Udo. See, all you have to do now, just get ready, make you waka pass. She grab. You know, guys, you went up yellow FIFA and a waggy. Who sells him an Igbo? If he see, just go there when you just try confuse them with this your waist. If you confuse them, Jankara will enter. They can was a sebeni neke ya walk. And I'm at Ojo.
Mechipono. You know, okay, I walk on it. Pick up walk with a malifene. Check it first.
What is it? Nake ye buswani ye na sapa panza sa.
Mechipono ke. Odi fele meginis. Onye ke na gwoku.
Ona esi na fa na esi.
Panti ke me esi. Na la bokona go.
Ona esi.
Mechon guys. Mechon. I want to phone a case we put a la bokona go. You go to Monte. You want to need the panty phone and need shake it. What if I can shake? So I need to remove the pants so that my buttocks will be able to shake well. When I whine it, then it will shake. But if I'm wearing this man, Oji everything. No one is if I gonna for. You shake go, no one if I gonna shake. No for you, as if I now. Wow. What are you giving them? What are
you're there. You're there.
So you depend on that. You depend on man. I don't man.
Mbani ana bana mo like ko we oge nyekwa abam body order.
Pati me na body order. Nanga dolo ko ife go ala boko na go. E no nya o. E ma so ko fu na kai swepta.
Awolo kai je go dey clear this thing. So you can now just buy it. You want to go make you can see me now. I'm about to go buy. Plug this step by it.
It's one of
Hi. Conversion. Ni man open the blow one. Open the blow one. If you can make it back. Nah, you get original shape.
It's 50 naira.
Give it.
That looks good afternoon.
Ah, Janet.
Yeah?
How you doing now?
I'm fine. Who is here?
Yes, what do you want?
I want battery.
Tiger battery or flashlight?
No, I want phone battery.
Have you come to this store to buy phone battery or phone accessories before? What is wrong with you? Please, will you leave here?
Oh, sorry.
Janet.
How are we going?
I see you.
Alright,
Thank you. Hey. Hey, Janet.
What? What's wrong with you? Why will you be bumping into somebody else? Please get out! She has got out! Get out! She's there! Go!
What is the word of these boys? They'll be running about. Nah, yeah, I beg.
Please take your...
Nah, all these boys.
Where's the money?
I'll just pay your...
What did you see? What is going on now? Eh? What's going to make your pants? What do you put on the Now what for you? No, the I'm not gonna after something. Go. After something bigger. What is this? Okay, the money. Yeah. Don't go. No. What are you?
Na so kon kam ndem madu no no ba ke for. Na ko go di sef ni na na go di. Gin kan get for am.
Jankara make it to Belega. You know, see come now where's this money now? Eh? What do you mean? Eh? Why can't you pants? Jankara, you made me remove my pants and shake my ass without bringing anything now go. Ta! Jankara.
Ne mala mo amali ngo di sef. Ya bo lo mo na gije yie. Ke na weta kwa no nka.
Nyam pants. Give me my pants. Let me warn you for the last time. Next time you do not check something before calling me to remove my pants. Take the risk of removing my pants. And at the end of the day, what am I up now I'm gonna go. Now.
What's happening? Please give me my money.
But I had my wallet a while ago now. Okay, relax.
What kind of rotten story are you telling me now? Please give me my money.
Nah, man, where is my wallet? Hey. Chineke.
Give me my
Okay, who first?
Give me mine.
Hey. like an irritated old woman.
Me? Scream like an irritated... See, if you don't produce my wallet this minute, I will start screaming like an irritated old dog.
That is not anything new. I have always known you to have animalistic tendencies.
Chineke, is it not my money that your children stole that made this your tummy to be so fat? And yet you're still poor. I'm still better off than you. See, woman, talk to your husband to produce my wallet too.
What is the matter?
And what is the matter? We have been playing Lido and I know what? You've not been hearing what we are saying. Is it not this your stupid husband that sent your stupid children to come and steal my wallet? My wallet. Produce my money. My purse. And they come and see, produce my wallet though. Want your husband though?
Don't mind the mad dog. What were you doing when they saw you? Took your purse or your wallet and you did not know.
Question and answer. I just jump off his guys. See, if you don't produce my wallet this afternoon, I swear to God. See, and then we won't go. I will bust your tummy. Tell your husband though. I will bust his tummy this afternoon though.
Come and support the effort. Punch out the stomach. Yes,
and then we won't go.
Wait till Gina go.
Jiba, Jinka, Ijiwaya.
Man, they catch a combo. Na appear looking number na. Ti go din ti donyenti.
Hey. Get on the board.
Odo yo mozo. Mozo. Na wanne kai ki ata.
Come here. What have you done?
Mama, you know Janet. She doesn't know how to roast yam, so I've been teaching her.
Shut up! I said, what have you done? Mama, you know, he's teaching me how to roast the yam. You know, the yam is very sweet, especially when you roast it.
Act as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Don't act as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Mama, roasted yam is very sweet.
See, you provide my wallet to.
Okay,
provide my wallet. My wallet.
Stay.
I go for your greeting. Look at your devilish smile. See, where is my wallet? Mbabo wallet, help us. See, Oga Timothy, if you and these your ushers do not provide my wallet this very minute, I swear to God, Madana.
Yes, you. Jaja, did you see Luke today?
Luke on Kabu so. Janet, if you look.
Never one, and my Bible.
Mbane, for us, you did not see me again. Were you not the one that bumped into me? Fiam, wallet, Anna.
Hey! Wonderful! You want to tell me that my son is now with supernatural powers? Or where? Oh, he bumped into you and Fiam, wallet, Anna.
That's enough! Nine, I am ashamed of you. Listen to yourself. When you know fully well that your children could have stolen his wallet, now both of you have to open up. If you fail to open up, that means no food for you in this house.
Ma biko maka ulcer. Biko. Come, you yourself. Let me ask you. What were you looking at? That your wallet left your body and you didn't know.
Joya.
Bam bam.
Oh.
But she said, no, will you shut up your mouth?
What do you want to do? Don't even tell us to shut up. We have to say it for the whole village to hear. Don't tell us to shut up.
Say it.
Luke was busy looking at Janet's tsunami.
What is tsunami?
Mama, the audio or just tools of a woman.
Yeah, exactly.
In other words? Luke, you see? Just because your name is Luke, you go about looking at everything you see. Okay?
Papa, tell him. You needed to see the way he was looking at me lustfully. If someone could impregnate a woman with his eyes, I am very, very sure I will behave now with triplets.
Luke man.
So this is how you want to judge it, eh?
This is how.
Timothy, this is how.
Why will you look? Why? This is how.
As for you, I know how to undo you.
Because you are Luke, you will have to be. It's again.
Mama, it's not everyone that will just come into this compound and say your lips and you just leave the person. Mama, I don't like this.
I called you both here because I don't want your mother to hear our conversation. Like I always say, Onyosa, Adire also. I am very proud of both of you and the way you two cooperate to do your things.
Papa, we're also proud of you, sir.
Shut up, idiot. There is something on ground now that if we do it right, we will say goodbye to hunger forever.
Papa, do you want us to steal anything?
No. What I want you to do is something that will keep you away from stealing ever again in this life.
Chekwala, Papa. I'm sure no plan. I hope you're not planning to do money ritual.
Forget that one. You both know Bato, the late richest man in this community.
Who doesn't know him?
Bato left 2 billion naira.
Sorry.
To be shared among his 4 children.
Jesus.
As I'm talking now, the 4 Mughals are already in town from Congo, Liberia, Jamaica, and USA. Now, Janet, this mission is especially for you. I want you to walk your way into them. And run rings around the 3 boys. You know, go? Jankara, your own work is to watch out for her. Watch her back. And make sure you want to and make sure you get them to do what you want. Make sure they like her and get them to do what you want.
Papa,
This is serious Odomen side.
Odoni boy.
I'm not be no. I'm just a young boy chilling with my own joy. Me, why is she looking at me? Does she wanna put the evil spirit on me? The still upcoming when they get the money. Next year by this time we don't they go overseas. Cause I call her the liver. She said I got fever. I got her for liver. We put her for river. See, we be making up. See how the girls self, they be dressing up. See how the chicks self, they be fucking up.
Traffic in there.
They drink 7 up. Now we be.
Dang. What the F? Dang. This is traffic in the air, baby. Come on. This one good thing about Africa, you know. Loud and scared. Dang. Give this to you, man.
My mother.
Your mama gave this to you. God bless your mama, man. This is for your mama, knuckle, baby. For your mama. One, that's what's up. For your mama. That's what's up. For your mama. That's what's up. Dang.
Mommy, this is what they call Democratic Party of Africa.
Yeah, man.
If you climb this buto, mommy, you speak your mind.
This is traffic in the air.
Pretty data. Let me say. Your body just give a man some inspiration for your new song. Your body is a killer. See? Your body is a killer.
No, my brothers. I'm not sure even if
It's also that, right?
Stop that, mommy.
Stop it!
What happened here? What's the problem? Who got to my bag? Somebody enter my sack, take my biscuit. Who enter my sack? Who enter my biscuit?
What's your problem?
yelling, bitch.
If you want to swim, why not go to the beach yourself and swim? Stop shouting, bitch. I'm looking for my biscuit.
Boy, you talk about biscuit. Rastaman me no see no biscuit.
Sylvester. Yes. How are you coping with them?
Boss, I'm showing them that I am the old soldier. Yes. I am going it militarily. Yes. God is helping me. But it's not easy. Yes.
I trust you. I trust you. My wife even said she saw you with them carrying water containers. Is it true?
That! There was no water in the house. And those boys needed somebody to tell them that they were supposed to go to the stream and fetch water.
Hi. I hear too that they behave like people without brains.
You will barely hear understand what any of them says.
I think you are in a better place to handle them very well. Deal with them.
The military fashion.
Come to think of it, why did your brother choose to do such a thing?
No, don't even go there at all. No, don't go there, I tell you. I have to rush back to the house before I have mutiny in the house.
Mutiny? So what is it all about?
Ezekiel, are you in the army? Are you a soldier? So what do you want to know about mutiny? Mutiny is an army parlance, army terminology, army abracadabra.
Sure. Yes, sure.
Salute again.
Sure.
Like this. I'll see you. Yes. No, don't shake.
Hey, sure. Stretch your hand up. Sure. Hey, it's all right. Hey.
You're a soldier. Yes. I will see you.
Let me wait for your people. Oh my. Serious.
Listen up, bitch. This Silpas here is responsible for your missing biscuit.
You take my biscuit. My sugar chocolate coated biscuit from Congo.
Take it easy, mommy.
Hey, what's happening there? I said, what's happening here? What is happening here? Come on. Leave him alone. Leave him. Christy Lala, what or what?
My name is not Chrisla. My name is Christella.
Whatever it is, Christella, what is happening here?
This one take my biscuit, go to my sack, take my sugar chocolate, watered biscuit from Congo. I'm hungry.
Bag!
It's my sack in Congo.
Bombo clat party boy. Leko thief. Why you thief a biscuit? You hungry man from Liberia.
Stop that, mommy. You stupid.
Hey, thief.
Oh, soldier. Respect me, dread. Me dread goalie, man.
You keep quiet, my friend. What's happening here?
Listen, I'm disappointed, man. Fucking disappointed.
You slippers. What is happening here? Did you take our biscuit?
Mommy, there is hunger in this house. Oh, man need to survive.
Stealing? Oh my God! What is happening here? I leave you people for a while, and then you start fighting. What is happening? Stealing. That's stealing. And this is punishable in the army by court martial. It is punishable in the army by money. It is punishable in the army by court martial. Do you know that? I say it is punishable in the army by dungeon. It is punishable in the army by firing squad. Now, oh my God, all of you line up here. Line up here, all of you. Line up here. You cannot go on panic. Line up. Line up. Hey, you. Come here by my side. Come this side. Good. Now stay here. Stay by my side. By my right hand side. This is where you stay. Is that correct? Stay here. Yeah. Good. Now you hold this. Just hold it. Stay here. Yeah. Good. Now, listen. This is punishable. And you must be punished by me. Now, I'm going to give you frog jump. 1 hour jump. 1 hour jump. You stoop and you jump like 1 hour. Jump 1 hour. Jump 1 hour. 1 hour jump. Hey! What's wrong with you? Nothing. Now give me back my pack. Now stop it! Don't keep singing. What's wrong with you? Now listen. I'm an ex-soldier of Biafran regiment. So don't try this again. Don't try it again. Next time you try it, I'll do something about it. Talking about being broke. Want to sing it like a record or what?
Come on, man. We broke. And because we can't go back to our bases to hustle, that makes us your responsibility. Come on, man. We need swag. We need money. Give us some money. This is traffic in the air.
Swag you. As what?
As we uncle. We father leg brother man. Sin.
Why can't you speak what I understand? Do you even make sense of what you say?
I man make sense. A layout fi sense man. Sin. Rastafari.
Mommy, if I had money with me, I wouldn't be stealing biscuit. Mommy, I need money.
Listen, all of you. I'm not your father.
No.
I didn't ask you to come in here and live for 1 year. Now listen. If I had my way, all of you will be out of this place so I can have my peace. I need my sanity back. Because staying with the bunch of you makes me mad. Do you know that if I was not an old soldier, I would crack. Staying with the bunch of you can make somebody mad. Listen, I don't have any money I'm giving anybody. I'm not giving anybody any money. You go out and look for something to do.
You fuck all that shit, man. Fuck all that shit. You don't have a dime on you. Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. You're a broke soldier, man. Shit. Traffic in the fuck all that shit.
You know, soldier this, soldier that. We gonna eat soldier. Poor old soldier. Poor grey hair. Poor everything.
Oh, soldier, now waiting be this you. You be guy man. You be guy man. Oh, soldier, now waiting be this you. You be guy man. You be guy man. If you move, he go move you.
Old Sarge.
What's that?
Old Sarge. Old Sarge.
Who is that? What's that? What is it?
Come on, man. Everywhere's fucking hot.
My friend, if you are hot, you see that your cloth, that one you have on top there. Americano, remove it. Fly it like this. Wham, wham, wham. It will be fun. That's what we do here.
Come on, Old Sarge. Why don't we even have light here, man?
Bad government. The leaders, them are thieves, then they care about themselves. They don't care about the sufferation for the people. But Americana, Jah Rastafari, with the scheme people, Sunday, sin.
Nigga, fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. Come on, Old Sarge. Why don't we have lights, man?
Are you deaf? Or maybe something has blocked your tympanic membranous. Texas. These are the wires here. Don't call me again complaining about what I don't know.
So why don't we have light, Old Sarge? Why don't we have light, Old Sarge?
I don't have anything to tell you.
Fuck all that shit, Old Sarge. Fuck all that shit. I'ma fix it.
Yeah, man.
I'ma fix it. I need lights, man. I'ma fix it.
Come. What is the light? Americana, you don't know you're electrician. You don't know you got some talents.
What's that? What happened?
What is fake electrician, man?
What happened?
I was trying to fix this shit. I got fucked up, man. Damn.
America, you feel dead now.
Yeah? Nigerian Electric. This thing, you climb this thing with a knife, with the kitchen knife. Hi. What is wrong with these crazy boys? You're lucky it didn't kill you. Eh? You think it's American, what do you call it, electric? Small electric. Little electric you have in America. Nigeria Electric is powerful.
I mean, you play with electricity.
Stop laughing, man. Fuck all that shit. Stop laughing, man.
If you read, they make laugh.
Nigeria Electric is big, powerful. It will carry you up Nana on the ground.
Come on, Old Sarge.
Sorry.
Show some love, man. I need milk. I need milk.
We'll give you a cow. One whole cow so that you will put your mouth on the breast and suck the whole milk.
Sorry.
Mommy, shut up, mommy. You play with electricity. You're lucky they kill you.
Sorry.
Dang. Fuck all that shit.
Mommy?
Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit.
I mean, you're lucky this and they kill you. You're lucky.
Sorry.
That was fucking serious, man. That shit got me fucked up.
Americana, me swear for the name for the Most High. Me no know you're fake electrician.
Fuck all that shit, man. Fuck all that shit.
Fake electrician.
Go that shit, man. Go that shit,
Not even a matter of being fake or whatever. If you're an electrician, you're an electrician. If you're not, you're a bloody civilian. Bloody civilian.
Your mates are nice. Go for your breaks. Bombo clad soldier. When Mr. Zion is a holy place. When Mr. Zion is a holy place. Nothing can enter there. Rastafari is a light. We no need.
Malicha. One. Let's no.
Na keep again, me one.
You could get out of the border.
My dear, I really need to work on that project that Papa discussed with us.
Okay. Joe?
Joe, what? I'm off you. But don't say also Joe.
How far? Can I get you the latest? What's the latest?
Actually, I want to enter them fully. One in short first. You know? Hey, I'm probably there.
Janet, you wear pants.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Nah, I want to know whether you are putting on your pants because you know these days you don't like wearing pants. It's now your culture. See, I know I'm saying it to Makumu Joe. I'm sorry. MS Nankana pay you on Makumo Batu. I had drop
Jankara, I am not a small girl. I know what to do and what to do at the right time. I'm off here. Ne. Fella de make you in a zone did it with over 200 naira general can just to far.
Now take it.
You think maybe
one of my minister like that.
Now say about
are you my girl? What's wrong with you?
You want a girl?
John. No, you feel like I don't know how to chase you.
Are you my girl? Oh, sh. Why didn't that put in a joke girl?
Go and sit down.
Oh, thank you. Hey,
hey, Jenna, if you like, come back to this house without anything.
Important one because of present situation.
Uncle, every time you call meeting, Nigeria people like meeting. What is it again? What is it?
I want all of you to listen to me and listen attentively. The battle is getting hotter and hotter, and every soldier must move to the present times.
Amen. We are not Soya men. Or sometimes we cannot understand your language.
Yes, sir.
Amen.
Come on.
What I'm saying is this. You people need to start to do little things that will put money in your pocket. Things that will give you money.
Money! You know what I come for? I come for Nigerian money. Thank you. I will thank you very well. Give you my cosadas. We know Lokomba. Oh, we know. That is the way to go. Thank you very much. Where is the money? I need money. Give me money. Good uncle.
Lokomba, shut up.
My name is Christina.
Listen, Christiana, listen. Listen and get that into your skull, that skull of yours. What I am saying is that you people should get into that village and begin to do small things. Look for small things to do that will put money in your hands, put money in your pockets. Am I making sense to somebody here? That okay? Does that make sense?
The 3 marks, one love. There is one question I really want to ask. My son,
what kind of trouble is this? How do I make money in this village where I don't know anybody? If it were in Brazzaville, I would have seen plenty men to buy me liquor and take me for a dance. But wait a minute, Christella. Don't underrate the men here. They may surprise you. Well, let's see for now. I know what to do.
Like a city pond that
Oh,
he
no, no,
that
no.
can't be hit.
Yeah, but look at Babu. The guy from my son, I get out with Sakale.
Me a son feel desire. In case them know Rastaman run things. I mean, me like a heel.
Be hidden. Jaja bless your son. Bless your son. No allow the people of the world to gloat over my suffering. Send. God bless I and I. Obama.
Are you from the city?
Oh yes, Bombo Cloud. I man, know you why you ask me such a question.
It's just that I like reggae. If I see people playing reggae music, I like them.
Where's it? Yeah, I mean, you like reggae music, huh?
Hey, no. You see, disciple. Apostle. Disciple. Lucky. Dube. Oh, Bob something. Ejimia.
Bombo clat man. You mean like Dube Bob Marley?
Hey, piano newu. Kita get kono kamade ano.
Where is it?
Please, I would like you to play small for me.
So, how we have figured so Rastaman fi play you some special tune, man. Respect. See you tall like a dundee. I can't sing Jamaica where me come from. When Jaja say me go make am, say kissing from the microphone. Kissing ya the cornerstone, yeah. Keke baba ya the cornerstone. Oh, kissing from the microphone, yeah. Kissing ya the number. Kissing ya the cornerstone, yeah. Keke baba ya the cornerstone, yeah. On the microphone, yeah.
I'm clapping for you.
Yeah. Keke baba ya the cornerstone, yeah. Let me tell you something. I don't go to Jamaica where I come from. Me match up the dance hall. Mr. Yellowman. At Jamaica. Me and Mr. Till at Jamaica. Me roll with Chakadimos and Pliers, Chabarans, Mr. Yellowman. All of them. Me match up the dance hall. See?
But you still haven't answered my question. If you are from this place.
Well, yes, Sam. I Kingston, Jamaica, backyard, man. Huh? Me I come from this jungle, but no me a father, man.
What about you?
You know him?
Your late father was a very rich man.
So they tell Rastaman. But my father say Rastaman fi suffer, fi get the man.
Yeah, nah, so if I'm married, what on you?
My father want Rastaman fi step on the place for 1 year before Rastaman fi get the money, man.
So you don't have any money with you?
Me I broke like a church rat. Rastaman no get no dollar, man. But me know, Jaja, Rastafari slice, yeah, the country lion of the tribe of Judah, don't provide his son. See? Me know.
I will teach you how to make money in this village.
What else?
With your guitar.
Bumbo clout, where I say? When me fi sing, when me fi play some tune, fi make some doll. You know? You gonna take me there.
But meanwhile, play me another song. I want to confirm if you are tight. So you won't go out there to disgrace me. You want me to play some tune? Rastafari! See, me gonna play this song. Me do this one for me girl. Abakayada Jamaica. Me girlfriend. Me love her to the bone, man. Me girlfriend.
You know, touch a poison, they can achieve a malo.
Me mama.
Where
we go? When me say you want me to be mine, baby girl, you look so fine. The way you move your body, just like moving your designs in your mind. Baby girl, you look so fine. Just like you are too difficult to find, you are mine. Baby girl, you look so fine. Just like you are too difficult to find. This is another raga style, yeah. Kingston bring another style, yeah. Ziggy zaga zai. Another raga style, yeah. Kingston Baba, Sandman.
Go inside. Also go can now go the year.
I met one of them today. I think he came back from Jamaica. See, as I'm speaking to you now, I will cheer.
Is it lie?
If you open and see, go to God.
Kiss me.
I go on a good piano guy.
On your work, eh? Kiss me.
I do now wage na joints. I bought him food. I bought him beer. The bank can we boo the guy boo J5.
See, Jankara, this is serious Odome Sayo. Serious one.
I'm glad you know. I'm going to give the guy. The man why I put there and have a custom.
So even
let me hit the street. I can set you at the thing.
I wake up in a new Bugatti. Damn, what the hell? You for real? Jeez. Damn. Look at your asses, man. Come on.
Good afternoon.
Come on, don't be so dry. What the fuck is good afternoon? In Texas, where I roll down from, this is how we greet. Show some love while greeting, baby. Let me show you. This is how we roll. Like, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's how we greet. That's how we roll. Show some love while greeting, bitches. Dang.
Love, quoi? Love abonye be. Love abonye boon.
Say that again.
Love abonye boon. Bianasa, if you are not leaving now, I'm going.
You roll back in. What the fuck is wrong with you? You crazy or something? Listen, bitches don't bounce on niggas while talking, okay? Dang. Well, she called you Ness. Is that your name?
Nasa. Chinansa.
Nigga, fuck that shit, man. I like the abbreviation like Ness, man. Yeah. Well, they call me Hogan.
Hogan.
Yeah.
He be one day Hogan.
Bia. Now say if you're not leaving, I'm leaving.
Wait for me now.
What's up with you people, man? What the fuck? Listen, I'm a real G, okay? Just want to hop on that. Listen, what the fuck? Dang. Traffic in the air. Traffic in the air, baby.
American musician, yo. The case. I the actor, I the do activities like partake. I the react to something like partake. Don't them want to do, I'm not mistake. Go US, go meet your mama, cause you don't say never talk great about mama the sucker we knock you back. Mama the sucker we knock you back. Dance so my lady, you dare make me high. Baby I no go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want your mama in a go down, so she want follow me now. Go down, so she want follow me, go down me and you first.
Yeah, man. That music too loud.
Yeah, man.
Other brothers want to concentrate.
My shoulder, my lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spend you my money. Baby, please don't
warn you, my man. I told you before. That music is too loud. You don't want to hear my word.
Yeah, disturb me with the tears on Congolese.
You look for my trouble again. You look for my trouble again. What's your problem? What I do? Me enjoy good music, good makosa, good liquor. Oh, you come again look for my trouble. I show you.
My man, you're the one looking for trouble in this house. Be careful, my man. Don't look for trouble.
Look, let me tell you, this place is not a library. If you want to read, you go to a library, I tell you. You go to a library. No sense.
Shut up, my man. Shut up. I warn you, my man. Be careful. Be careful in this house.
I tell you, you try again. I told you no sense.
Bombo clat! Congolese, you gone crazy, son. You pour me drink?
I'm tired of this house. I'm tired. I'm even packing now. Nonsense people. Foolish people. I'll leave this house for you. I'll leave this house for you. Nonsense.
My man, you stupid. My man, you stupid.
You gone crazy. Congolese, you gone crazy, son.
I'll leave this house for you. Leave this house for you. I'm tired. Trouble every time. Trouble in this house. Trouble.
Can you imagine?
Congolese.
What is that?
You're gone crazy.
I wonder why some people cannot be considerate. I wonder why.
Me no know.
Is it no Congolese?
Come on.
You should come here, I said.
Everybody, you see everybody.
Where you going to?
What's up, man?
Stand.
Where you headed?
I'm tired of staying in this house. I'm fed up. I don't want to live here again. You can take all the money and go back to Congo.
Nigga, fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. Listen up, bitch. No one leaves. When I wanted to roll, you all held me down. So no one leaves till we are done with this shit. Okay? Now get your greasy ass back.
My man, listen. You go nowhere. You can't make me suffer all this for nothing. My man, you cannot. You go nowhere, I tell you.
Who want to stop Christella? Who want to stop Christella? Who can stop Christella? You want to stop Christella? Look at me, everybody who stop Christella.
Let me go. Let me go. Go back at Congo.
I tell you, let me go.
Traffic in the air.
I don't want your money.
Go back at Congo.
Mama, you go nowhere, mama.
In the
You stop me, I took you dead away. Follow Papa.
Congolese, you are gone crazy. Bombo clat Congolese. Americana. Congolese, you are gone crazy.
Nigga, fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit.
You are gone crazy too. Liberia, let me say. That's the reason why you walk away, son.
Shut all your mouth, my man. You stupid. Why you blame me while you're not there?
Batibai.
You blame me.
Batibai. Liberia.
My brother, everything will work out fine. Don't worry.
Yes, I know. I know. All I need to do is to make them obey orders. Eh? But you must play your own part very well, so that we'll start smiling.
Don't worry about my side. Yeah. Thank you for the beer that you bought for me. I know that some people, they will say I'm on your side. But one day, you see this life that you are in, anyone that does not have a sir will die of hunger one day.
Hi, Timothy. You have taken far too many bottles today, you know.
Is it my fault?
I was your welcome. You kept giving me the beer, and I just could not say no.
How can you say no? Is it in your dictionary to say no?
No.
It's not in your nature to say no. Timothy, Timothy, are you sure you can get home safely?
I will reach home.
Timothy.
Again.
Sure you don't want somebody that will walk you home, Timothy. Today is the first day of the Masquerade event.
Oh, that. I know. Am I a woman? Yeah, don't worry about me. I will reach home.
You're going? Ngwana. Walk well. Naga. Measure ya. The salute. You move.
Left. Bam. Yum.
Good. One step. Yes. One.
Also just make you stand here to see you. Don't scatter your nyash. Also just guy man. If you move, I move you.
Nigga, fuck that shit. You caused it. Fuck that shit. You caused it. Fuck that shit.
My man, stop it, my man. I fight to do I fight in Liberia, my man. Don't touch me again.
That's all we are waiting for. Done in a minute. Oh, clad.
Listen. You fucked up, yeah? You caused it. What's your problem?
My man, you don't blame me. You don't blame me. I didn't cause her to go.
Listen, let me tell you something. That girl is part of my 3.5 million. If you waste that shit, I'ma kill you.
She say her name na Christara. She say her name na Christara.
Where are you going to? Masquerade is coming.
Who is Masquerade? Let Masquerade go. Masquerade see me with dance and we love the combat together.
Inside there, I want to make her. She looks like a masquerade already.
We love combat. Masquerade dance and we love combat. What is masquerade? Masquerade see me and dance and we
Mommy, why you blame me? Oh, her music was loud. Her music was loud.
She decided to leave on her own. Shut up, party boy. Shut up, so much.
In case you don't know, you're the reason why she walk away.
Boy, her music was loud. The music was loud.
Damn, this is probably in the end. What's your fucking business with that fucking music? Huh? What's your business with that music?
It disturbed me in there, mommy. It disturbed me. It was too loud. Why you all blaming her?
You all were there when the get carrier go back and go. Now you all blame me. Why?
Because you caused it. You caused it.
What is it? I don't want to stay here again. For what? You kill me, then go with the money. I don't want any money. What is it in this country? Because I dance, I will look home. I don't like Nigeria.
Why? For your funeral.
Which lady are we talking about here?
Frenchie Makosa, she just rolled, man. He caused it.
The Congolese, she walk away, old soldier.
What? And you let her go?
Mommy, I didn't cause anything. She was carrying bottle in her hand and she was ready to stab.
You should have let her stab you.
Mommy, if I should have let her stab all of us, Mommy, all the money will be lost. I didn't cause her going.
Come on, soldiers! Soldiers! We roll out in a battle
battle formation.
Yes, sir.
We go on an attack now.
Yes, sir.
We must search for the lady. We must get her. We must search her. We must find her out. We must bring her out, bring her back. Come on, move for attack now.
Yes, sir.
By the left, by the left, by the left. Oh, come on. I didn't say you scatter your knife. Pressure. Come on. That's right. By the left. Turn. Left, 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 left. Prepare for attack. Prepare your mind. Prepare your mind for attack. Get ready for attack. We must move. Now I'm going to get the gun. Keep marching. Keep marching. Keep marching. Anybody that moves, I move in. You move, I move you. You move, I kill you now. We must get this girl. Come on. Come on. Keep marching. Keep marching. I don't want any mutiny here. Come on. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. Left. Down. Quick march. Left. 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 Move it. Move it. Left. 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 Left.
I will dance to Makosa, please. I beg you, yeah. I beg you. 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 I will not, please. I will dance it for you. Anything you want, please. Please, please. Please, please,
Hey, Onye kotobulu. Mileji si akwa isi. Mili isi. Ay.
Yes,
ay.
it's my uncle.
Okuna ni isi emetu aja.
Yes.
Hey, Papa Wanyo. Onye kotobulu. Ba. Ay. So you're dancing now. Eh? You go. Hey! Bam. Wayo. Hey! Ona kotobulu. Village is akwa isi. Mili isi. Wayo.
Uncle, thank you.
Hey, keep quiet. Prediction. Will you go again?
Wait.
Will you go again?
I not go anywhere. I deal with you. You my rescuer. You rescue my life.
All right, listen up, Frenchy Makosa.
Oh, Uncle, thank.
Listen up, Frenchy Makosa. You need to stick your greasy ass on a point because there is traffic in that.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me traffic in the head. You don't tell me that. Uncle, save me. Who you talk to me about?
There is traffic in that.
All right. Now you don't want to go again. You want to go with us?
I follow you anyway. Thank you, Uncle. Let me dance you Makosa. Yeah, I will come back. I will come back.
It's all right. Come on.
You don't like it?
Stand still. No movement. Put your legs together. Prediction. Bagadaka. Stand still. Prediction. Put your legs together. Prediction.
I used to do it in a willow.
Move it.
Fucking French.
Move it.
You have to stick your ass one place because there is traffic in the air.
You turn around. Hey, obey orders. Now turn around. About turn. And move it. Handle it. Hey, bloody civilians. Move like soldiers.
Fuck that shit. There is traffic in the air.
Hey, come on. Move it. Come on, move it.
I will not go with her.
What's wrong with this?
I will not look back.
What's wrong with this guy?
Oh, Uncle, you don't like it.
Come on, I like it, but keep moving. Don't scatter your ass. Move it. Handle. Now listen. Let this be the last time this kind of rubbish will happen here. Do I make myself clear? You hear me say yeah? Do I make myself clear?
Yeah, my man.
Good. What's wrong with you people? What's wrong with you? I'm talking to you. a good soldier? You don't want to be a disciplined soldier. This is your head. Isn't there anything inside? Bloody civilians. Bloody civilians. Don't you realize the amount of money involved in this whole thing? I wish the will had a clause somewhere that allows anybody that wants to leave to go, so that I will keep the whole money to myself. Because you people don't want to be serious. Heis! Pressure! Come on! Come on! Come on, soldiers! Now, fall into the house, quickly! Bloody civilians, come on! Move back! Take this bag and go in! Move it!
Scatter your
Bloody
civilians! Waiting be this you big guy man.
Christella, is this not you again? Oh, why should you run away from trouble when you are trouble yourself? What if you are bitten to death by Masquerade? I can't continue to live this kind of life. Why must I even live in anger when I can actually have all the fun I want within this 1 year, collect my money and go? It's time to show those men some Congo lifestyle. Yes, I kill everybody in this village. Who's it? I give them a willow lukoba. All the men will give me money. Madam Bene, you are welcome. Yes, this one to stay here. I have collections. Big collections. I'm gonna destroy this town. Everybody don't know me in this country. Nigeria cannot stand where Congo stand. I give them a course and dance. I don't know Baba Wemba. Who's Two-Face? Baba Wemba stand. Who's Market Jassy? I will stand. Nigeria shouting. Nigeria. I'll give you a willow. I'll show you my Congo style. Who you be? Yes. Yeah. The problem, I need to iron this cloth. I did not iron. Don't wait like that. All I need is money, not iron. Yes. See, the star will hear it. My uncle, he will hear it. Me, I have arrived. We are one family. Ha! We don't know, come back. Yay! I go to Madam Benny with house with my canvas. Everybody in soup trouble. We don't know, come back. Where my radio? Oh no, this one will not go. My rainbow hair is killing already. Uncle, bonjour, ça va? Bonjour is good morning. Savar is how are you? It's a beautiful morning.
Crystal la la.
My name is no Crystilla la 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 la. My name is Crystilla. Crystilla.
Where are you off?
You tell us that everybody should go and struggle. So I look at it, I say, I can't struggle. You say Nigeria like to struggle, everybody struggle. I say, yes, I'm in Nigeria. I will struggle like Nigeria. Struggle.
Now come back here. And listen. Make sure you don't try what you did yesterday. Is that clear?
It is clear.
Good. Retreat.
Surrender. Uncle, I'm going to struggle. I will dance to the world. I will not come back.
Surrender. Forward march.
What of Hogan? American rapper, American rapper, American musician, yo.
What the fuck? Come on, baby. Look at you. You're blessed behind you. Come on, look at this. Dang.
What are you talking about?
God bless your mama, man. Shit.
Hey.
Dang.
What are you talking about?
You're the girl from the other day, yeah?
Myself?
Yeah.
Not me, please.
I know you. You came to our crib. I'm talking about Bartholomew, the soldier. Yeah, I saw you in our crib, man.
I think I remember you now. You were one of the sons of late Bato.
Yeah. They call me Hogan. My friends call me Huck Hogan.
Hey! Huck Hogan?
Yeah.
Huck Hogan on Kena Bambako 1 year okay?
No. Kena Bamba is my cousin, yeah?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, alright. Well, my name is Janet. I have to be on my way now. I'm going somewhere.
Hello, excuse me. Dang. This is traffic in the air, babe. This is traffic in the air, babe.
This is frustrating. Very, very frustrating.
I can imagine.
No, you can't imagine anything. Timothy, these boys has a bunch of scallywags. They're a bunch of bloody civilians. Oh, these boys are a bunch of crazy human beings. You can't even understand what they are saying. You don't hear them?
Sylvia, calm down before you lose your temper.
No, I already did.
Then calm down before you spoil something in your anger.
Huh? No, I can't do. I can't spoil anything. No matter how angry I am. Eh? If it was this morning, no, nothing will affect it.
I know you for that.
Nothing.
Makanoyosa. Adeweyosa. So, what is the latest?
The latest? Latest. You know what I did? I asked them to go to the village. Into the village. Get something for themselves.
Oh, soldier. Oh, soldier never dies.
Odogu.
You are very smart.
Yes.
So, you see, that way they will be exposed to Janet and Jankara.
Oh, yes! You know, those criminals, they will be able to handle the situation very well.
Yeah, Sylvester. Huh? Did you just call my children criminals?
No. How can they be criminals?
So what did you call them?
No, I'm just saying that they will be able to handle them. You know what I go? They will be able to handle them.
So they will be able to
handle them. Handle them criminal children. Criminal father.
Criminal Sylvester.
Criminals all of you.
Okay, finish.
Now raise you for me.
Eh? I thought you guys are friends already. What happened?
Well, ever since I told him about the business, I haven't heard from him.
Hi. Oh, wow. Anyway, calm down, eh? Calm down. Hey, lest I forget. I met the Americana today.
Who's who?
Yes.
How did it go?
Nothing much. I was doing guy for him, so I didn't give him the chance to even speak to me.
Good. Continue doing guy. Follow him little by little.
Okay.
So bad, bro. What I go? Confirm each go there.
So tell me now, what's the next step?
See, no matter we are doing this, Papa. What I go? Which I got there, I can buy. Will be at the mobile or that man. You know, any money we collect from that people. Me and you will just split it to ourselves. Huh? Because that man, I'm going to
You have a point. I know Papa very well.
See, Janet, don't fall easily for them. So that I will use them to make money. Because on your cambo, understand? Don't follow. If I go back there, I will tell them they should go and hustle hard to make money. Because you are too beautiful.
Don't worry yourself. Is it not me?
Because I'm an angel.
Don't you know me?
I'm
Janet,
an angel.
I know what to do. I know the right thing to do at the right time. Or not, brother? Janet, the only girl who knows in this village.
Chineke.
I know how to run my things.
I believe you.
I was one blood.
I believe you, my sister.
Oh, but I'm here.
No, I'm not there. I'm not going to there. Street, jumper. So,
American musician, yo. Organ. You say you want to go.
I'm gonna roll out of this fucking goddamn.
I think my sister likes.
What the fuck? You cool? Nigga, you cool? Why are you sneaking up on me? Why are you sneaking up on me? Nick, next time you try this, I swear I'm gonna whoop your fucking ass. Are you cool? That's Nick. Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you? Huh? You sneaking up on me? Nigga, you sneaking up on me? Nick, listen, I'm gonna whoop your ass. Don't fuck with me.
My sister likes you.
Say that again.
Do you know Janet?
Jenny?
Hope you know.
Hold up a sec. The chocolate mama with some sumptuous booty. She's your sis?
Or one nigga before Opo.
Damn, you're my blood, man. You're my blood, man. Come on. You're my blood, man. She's your sis? Damn. Hey, come on, show some love, man. Damn, she's your sis. That makes you my blood. Okay. I love her, man. She reminds me of Nicki Minaj. Okay. I'm telling you, she's your sis. That makes you my blood, man. That makes you my blood. That makes you my blood. Okay?
Before I afford it.
Damn, are you for real? Like she can roll and hop. Nigga, you're my blood, man. Come on, you're my blood. Hey, what's up, what you want that? Are you for real? I said, man, that makes you my blood. Yeah, you're my blood, man. That's what's up. So she said that.
She said you don't have money to take care of her. You can't even buy her anything.
No, she lied, man. I swear to God, she lied. Let me tell you something. You see this nigga standing right before you? In a couple of months, I will inherit $2.5 million, man. That's my fucking inheritance.
I believe you. But you know women, especially in this village, they are in a way. If you don't give them anything, nothing for you.
Come on, nigga. Don't expect me to perform miracles, man. I told you, listen, in Texas, I hustle till dark. Creamy girls, real G's, they come to chill with me. Because I do C-Rock and Ice every fucking Friday. You dig? Nigga, I hate this village, man. It's dead and dry. I miss Texas, I swear to God. Have you been there?
No. Sometimes in the dream.
Nigga, fuck you, man. I'm talking about reality here, baby.
See. For the fact that I like you, I also want my sister to like you.
Are you for real? You make your sis to like me? Damn, that's why you're my blood, man. You're my blood. You're my blood, man. Sorry, say that again.
I say you are a fine guy.
I know. Everybody knows. I mean, the whole world knows, man.
See, there is plenty money in this village. I want to teach you how to make money.
You serious? Like we can do shit here and make money?
Also,
that makes you my double blood, man. You my double blood. You my double... Listen, there is traffic in the air, baby. Listen, let me tell you something. You need to roll here when I'm talking to you. Come, let me tell you something. In Texas, I do shit. People believe in me because I do shit. Baby mamas believe in me because I do shit. They believe in me because I do shit.
I know.
They're my blood, man.
Yeah, that's a long way.
Say that again.
I say, you will see you because Janet will kill you. Say, Janet.
That's what's up. Yeah. Check it out. They say the hover is over. Dummy niggers. Even if I fall, I'll land a bunch of money. That's my nigga, young hover, man.
Who's that?
Even if I fall, I'll land a bunch of money. That's Jay-Z, man.
He's a wrestler.
Fuck you, man. Jay-Z is the best rapper in the whole world, man. Yeah.
I know if you're Montana.
What up, man?
Nah, if I can't get in.
I just do artist now.
I did, how far now?
I just do about that in
Nigga, what's up with you, man? You don't shake everybody you see.
It's the album now.
Let me have that shit.
Also,
Let me have that shit.
On the call my guy,
Nigga bounce, man. You talk too much. Let me roll. Let me have that shit. Let me have that shit, motherfucker.
Are you okay? Okay. Where are you coming from? I know they see you for this village.
The other way around now, one for you.
Which way around?
From the other side.
He looks like an informant, yeah? Nigga, don't fuck with us, man. I'm gonna whoop your ass. Look at the fucking barring, man. Nigga, fuck that shit. Nigga, roll, man. Nigga, roll, motherfucker. Yeah? Nigga, I'm enjoying this, yeah? Are you for real?
Man, you'll be making money.
Okay.
See, a lot of money.
I like it in school, yeah, but
you can even build a house.
Nigga, I'm not comfortable here, man. Yeah, snake might roll up on us, yeah, it's risky. This is not how we roll in Texas.
You see, like this, Janet will follow you.
Are you serious?
This morning.
But in Texas, man, this is not how we roll. Serious. We do home delivery in Texas, baby. I bring it to your doorstep, your hotel room, because there is traffic in the air.
I know if you're in Ghana, go.
Say that again?
No, I said, see, you're a fresh guy, dope.
Okay.
Yeah.
They say hover is over. Even if I fall, I'll lend a bunch of money. Hover and hover. Oh, yeah.
If I
say that again.
Madam, your bill is 1,500 naira.
Money, me, no problem, money. But you, Nigeria, you tell me money and Congolese money. You tell me your money and Congolese money, I pay you.
Can you imagine? How am I supposed to know? Or have I been there before? Please pay me my money.
You talk language I don't know. But pardon, don't vex. I forget you. Common Nigeria don't know Congo.
Please pay me my money and stop all this acting.
You know what will happen? I think we'll go outside and talk. I need to even see you. Let's settle this once and for all.
Please, what is it that you want to tell me outside that you cannot tell me here?
There are some things that we're supposed to say outside to help you, help me. Look, I do you small magic. Your eye open, you happy. I happy, everybody happy. Nigeria woman.
Let's go.
Nigeria. Let's go outside and talk. Come outside. Outside is a good place to talk. Don't drag me. Move your move. I move my move. Nigeria women like to hold. You like trouble.
So tell me, what is it that you want to tell me that made you brought me here?
Hey, I want to tell you business. I tell you, come, let's talk business.
What is it that you want to tell me?
I come to tell you small business. You understand what I'm saying? You have a very good place. But if I tell you this business, you make money, I make money, everybody happy. Money will come. I just give you small. Hey! That is all you need in Congo to make money.
Madam, please, if this is joke, just stop it. If this is 419, drop it.
Me not talk figure 419, that's 100 of money. I talk plenty, thousands for you.
Hey, Oza Biakwano, Bikonu, Come, do you know you are fake? You are completely fake. You want to dupe me?
Oh, me, no, I'm not dupe. Me, you don't know me. Look at me, up to down. Up to down, me don't look fake. Me get money, drink, I pay you. You don't know my father. Do you know my father is in this Nigeria? My father everywhere in Nigeria, people are telling my father thank you. My father big man. My father is Bartolome, if you don't know. My uncle is Sylvester, if you don't know. Me, family rich. What do I do with money?
Oh, Nemo. Oh, that's okay, please, Just stop. I'm sorry, So, you actually the daughter of Bartholomew, the rich man?
You don't know me before you talk anyhow to me.
Oh, I'm so sorry, You know what, I am so much interested in business. Very much interested.
Now you want to do business with me?
Yes.
After telling me I'm duped.
I'm sorry. Please stop crying. I'm sorry.
Okay, if you want to do the business, I'll teach you the business.
So how?
You follow my instruction. Anything I say you do. And by the time we do everything, you get money. I will come back. Follow me.
I'll follow you. I'll do exactly what you say.
Attention, everybody! Oh, la, man, me! Everybody here look very fine. You're welcome to Madame Benny, Liquid Pala. Bonjour, Je m'appelle Cristela. Yeah, I came to tell you the benefit of liquor. When you are taking liquor, it's not good to take liquor ordinarily. You take liquor with good music, with no dance. It will not sit very well. In Congo, where we come from, we take liquor with good makosa dance. So I need to give it to you now, so you enjoy yourself. Welcome to Madame Pele Palo. Madame Pele, please give me a Willa Lokumba Makosa dance. Woo! Give it to me. A Willa Lokumba.
Okay. Dance make a dance, dance make a dance. Baby, dance make a dance, dance make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Let me see this. Take up the same tall, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she the one, that does the best. I the actor, action. I the do activities like overtake. I the react to something like party. Don't them what they do, I'm no mistake. Go US, go meet to Bamba, cause you know say never chop play the Bamba. Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Dance so my lady, you dare make me high. Baby, I no go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop when you not go down. So she want follow me now go down. So she want follow me go down. Me and you for stage now show down. Hey, my lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spray you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Hey, your biggie body. Hey, fine, shorty. Hey, oh, yeah, come dance for me. Oh. Dance make a dance,
Fuck all that shit! Fuck all that shit! Damn! My man, listen to me. Listen to me, my man. I'll be playing good song. Since I came back, I'll be playing good song. But today, if you try me, I'll tell you, I'll fight you one fight in Liberia. If you try me, my woman, today, we'll see what I'll do to you. Try me, my man, try me.
Quiet!
Americana, you get strength, sin. You roll a rasta man like a fan. Man.
Fuck all that shit.
Take the gear. Take the gear, Americana. Don't kill your brother. Take the gear, me surrender.
Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit.
Yeah, man.
Fuck all that shit.
Yeah, man.
Pick up your cap. Put it on.
Take the woman. Take the woman.
Hey! Bato. Me? Is that you? The rule was for no one to fight.
Me, I did not fight her. I did not fight. It's this one that carried that one like a silly fan, Papa. He turned it everywhere. He turned it.
None was to fight. The offense of one will affect the other. Now, all the time you have spent is a waste.
Bato, don't do that. Bato, don't do this. Don't do this. Look at these children. They're a bunch of crazy people. A bunch of crazy, disobedient children, Bato.
Be at alert for the next line of action.